Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my new favorite cleaning system that works great, smells great, and is safe for the entire family, including children and pets. It is the multi-purpose cleaner and the deep clean system from Hugh Grace. I will be sharing all about it, how to use it, and some of the key ingredients. So I hope that you find today's video helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Alli. I am a mom of 2 girls, and I am on a mission to make it easy for you to find clean products that you truly love. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, there is so much I love about this new cleaning system. So 3 things. First thing is that it's really pretty. I really like how they packaged this product. It makes me actually feel like wanting to clean. And then number 2, it works. It works so well. We have hard water here, which builds up over time, and it's really hard to get that out. With this product, it has been easy to get that out, and I'm just blown away by its cleaning power. And then 3, it smells so good. I truly wish there was a way for me to somehow share this smell with you through this YouTube video. It's lovely. And it doesn't give you the headaches that you might be used to if you are cleaning with not non-toxic products. So I'm a huge fan. So let me share the packaging with you because it is so lovely. When you grab the system, it will come with a multi-purpose cleaner. It will come with a deep clean bottle, and it will also come with the concentrate. So whenever you grab the bottles, they're actually going to come to you like this, completely empty, and they are going to just be the bottles. And then you use the concentrate to create your cleaners by adding water. So by cutting down on having to ship bottles completely filled with mostly water, it's better for the environment. And then all you're having to do is repurchase the cleaner in the future. You're not having to repurchase the bottle. So less packaging, less waste, all good things. And aren't these bottles just so pretty? So they're glass bottles. And then right here, they have this little silicone covering on the bottom to help to keep it a little bit safer since it is glass. And there is the white one for the multi-purpose and black for the deep clean. So it kind of makes it easy to distinguish between your 2 bottles if you are looking to just grab and go and get cleaning. And then the concentrate comes with little ticks here on the back to show how many parts and to make it easy to create your bottles. So to create the multi-purpose cleaner, all you have to do is you pour 1 part of this concentrate into your bottle, and then you fill the rest with water. It is recommended to use distilled water to make this product more streak-free. Once you have the water in there, you give it a little shake and you are ready to go clean. The multi-purpose is going to be pretty much used the most in your home. You can use it on pretty much everything, your countertops, your sinks, faucets, high chairs. What's nice about this product is that it is strong enough to clean and get rid of the dirt and the grime and the things that we don't want in our homes, but it's also gentle enough that it is safe for everybody in the families, including pets and kids. So you can definitely use it to clean the high chair. And then you will make the deep clean bottle by adding 2 parts of the concentrate, filling up the rest with water, giving it a shake. You are ready to go and deep clean. So this is going to be more for your bigger messes, bathtubs, toilets, things like hard water buildup. This is going to be your go-to for those different types of things to get cleaned up around your home. I was able to sit in on the formulator call where the formulator of this product shared all about it, shared all of the different ingredients, what the ingredients do, why they were chosen, how they are sourced, all the things. And that was a 45-minute call. So I am going to give you kind of the Cliff Notes version of that. I'm not going to keep you on here 45 minutes, but I do think that some of the ingredients are worth sharing because this is a really unique product. Each one of these ingredients was super thought out and researched and tested and retested and re-researched until they came up with this just perfect combination that works, that smells great, and that you are actually going to want to use. So let's get started with some of the key ingredients. So this product contains water. So here's where all of your active ingredients are, right here in this one concentrate. So it does include water, and they could have just used water and been done, just use regular old water. But what they chose to do was actually to use two different types of water. They chose to use cucumber water. And cucumbers have been known to help be able to remove tarnish from surfaces. So it actually has a little bit of an added cleaning benefit whenever you use cucumber water versus just regular water. And then they also chose to use orange blossom water, which is antimicrobial, and it helps to neutralize bad scents. So right off the bat, they have actually created something really unique by adding in two different forms of water to help kind of boost and oomph this product just a little bit right off the bat. And then this product also contains some surfactants, which is the cleaning agent. I didn't know much about surfactants before the call, so here is a little bit more about it. The word surfactant means surface active agent. As the name applies, surfactants stir up activity on the surface you are cleaning to help trap dirt and remove it from the surface. So that is how a non-toxic product is actually cleaning. It's using the surfactants to get them all moving so we can wipe away and trap all of that and get it off of there. So there are a few different types of surfactants in this product. I promise you I am going to be butchering these names, but I'm going to do the very best that I can. It comes with cocamidopropyl, I think is how you say it, cocamidopropyl maybe. Hydroxysultine, cocamidopropyl, hydroxysultine. How did I do? I'm sure I got that wrong, but close enough, right? This ingredient is derived from coconut and it is very mild, but this surfactant adds viscosity so that it will help have a little bit more oomph as you are washing away your unwanted grime and dirt. It has pentylene glycol, which in this case, it is derived from sugarcane, and it shows broad spectrum antimicrobial activity against yeast, mold, and bacteria. So we definitely want that in our cleaner. It contains 2 sulfolates. Now I know that that sounds a lot like sodium lauryl sulfate, which is what we don't want in our formulations, but this is not that. It's sulfolurate, and this helps to protect and not wear down the surfaces that we are treating. So countertops, things like that, it helps to keep those safe. This one I'm probably going to get wrong. Sodium lavulinate. We'll see if that's right or not. It is a gentle preservative that's also antimicrobial. It has potassium sorbate, which is a naturally occurring preservative that helps to stabilize the product. It has tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, and that acts as a rinsing agent and helps to preserve the product. And then here is my favorite ingredient, the lemongrass oil. It is antibacterial and antifungal, which can kill fungus and mold. And it also helps to brighten the surfaces, so it leaves your surfaces looking nice and bright and shiny and clean. And it also can help to repel bugs. And my favorite part about it is the scent. Oh, I love that nice lemongrass scent. So that's definitely my favorite ingredient. And then it contains citric acid, which inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, and other contaminants. Like, wow, wow, wow. Listen to all of those fabulous ingredients and how they all are working together to keep this product stable, safe, high-powered and working really, really well. So I am very impressed with this product. I really think that you will love it too. I actually enjoy cleaning again, and it really, really works. So if you would like to shop the Hugh Grace system, be sure to use the link in the description. If you use the code HELLO10, you will receive 10% off of your entire first order. You might also consider becoming an HG Insider. I have some more details about that in the description, a little bit of extra perks and savings with that program. It is free as well, which is kind of fun. Anyways, I am here if you've got any questions. I am not the chemist or the expert, but I can get you in touch with the experts if you do have questions on top of what I've shared. And I would really recommend going giving it a try. And if you do, please let me know what you think, because I'd really just love to know. So I hope that this video was helpful and that you have a really blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye.